Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This one is a film simulation recipe that has actually been in my X100v for quite a while now. It's the Ilford Pan F Plus. Now I found this one on the Fuji Weekly app. If you don't have that app, check down in the description below. It's got some really good film simulation recipes on there. I actually went down to the beach today to take a walk along the promenade. I did have actually another film simulation that I was going to try, a color one, but it just wasn't quite working with how the light was. So I will get out there again to take some pictures with that other one, but hopefully you enjoy the photos with this black and white one. I did like it actually. It's been like I said, it's been in my camera for a while now. I am definitely going to take it out and take some more shots with this. I really like the color. Well, not it's black and white, but I like the tones of this one. Let me know what you think of these photos. All right, hopefully you enjoyed. As always, leave a comment down below. It's always appreciated when people leave comments, some constructive criticism on the photos. I am, like I said, just a little bit rusty right now. We had a comment from one of the last videos. It's been a while since I've been out taking photos, but I want to get out taking more. Weather's starting to get a bit better, so that's a bit of encouragement to get outside and take photos. So let me know what you thought of these. If you want to try the recipe, I will leave it down in the description below, along with the link to the Fuji Weekly website with the blog post with more about this film simulation. So make sure you check that out, and make sure you check out some of the other film simulations on the channel. I've got a ton of them that if you wanted to try some different things, and you can give them a try on your camera. Now, before I leave, I will make a comment that a lot of people kind of leave comments asking if, because I'm using my X100v, if these recipes will work with other Fuji models of camera. And yes, I mean, don't be afraid to give them a try. The colors might be, obviously if it's black and white, the tones, everything might be a little bit different on your camera if you're using a different model, but there's nothing wrong with giving it a try. I think a part of these recipes is a little bit of experimentation. So if you don't have the settings, you know, exactly right, you still might find something that you do like. So don't be afraid to try. Don't be afraid to take these recipes and adjust them to your liking as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.